Hello, welcome to everyone in a video from this channel. So today we're showing you how to connect VPN in your computer. So you have options to connect VPN in your computer. You can connect it for your Windows. You can also connect it for your browser. So today we're showing you how to connect it for your Google Chrome browser. So I just going to Google Chrome and search here uvpn.me. Okay, search here like this. So this is the website for VPN provider. So just go to download. So you can download it for your Windows. You can also download it for your iPhone, Mac, Android. You can also download it for Firefox. So I just going to Chrome extension. I want to it for my Google Chrome browser. So I just going to Google extension and then scroll down and go to download. So it will transfer you for Chrome Web Store. So go to add to Chrome and go to add extension. Okay, so after you add this for your Google Chrome extension, just log in here. So you can log in from your Google account and also Facebook account, and you can put email and password and login. So I just going to my Google account and type your password and click to next. So it's successfully done. Now we can use the VPN. So how we use the VPN? Just go to this icon in your Google Chrome and go to UVPN and then click to this button. So now we are using the VPN. So now we can do anything from using this VPN. And if you want to change your location, just go to this and you can select France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and these countries it's in premium version. So if you're using the premium version, you can use these countries. Is also available here streams, but it's in premium version. And you can select favorites. Just go to this and you can select favorites. So this is the tutorial. Thanks for watching this video, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe this channel for more tutorials, and thanks for all.